Tonight it's Cynful Stirrin the pot roast. Start out by cutting your onions. I'm going to make 2 cuts across the top of the bulb, and then I'm going to cut across the grain. We're going to make that a large dice. Then we're going to smash our garlic. Lay the flat of the knife on top of the garlic and just pop it with the palm of your hand. Okay, we're going to season this roast. We're going to do it heavily with salt and pepper. And make it heavy because you want lots on beef. Then we've got the garlic powder and the onion powder, again heavily. And last but not least, the thyme. Now do both sides and all the edges. We've been preheating our pan while we've been seasoning this pot roast, so it's ready to go. So go ahead and add that oil. Add enough to cover the bottom of the pan so it's a little bit more than normal. And then we're going to sear that chuck roast. Get it good and brown. Flip it over and do the other side and then do the edges. Now we add the onions. Followed by the garlic. And then we're going to put about 2 cups worth of the beef stock in there. And then we're going to take our red wine that has the Worcestershire sauce and put that in as well. Go ahead and break the spines of the bay leaves and drop them in there. Last, we're going to add our roasted beef, better than bouillon, and kind of swish it around to kind of break it all up. Cover it and let it cook for about an hour. While it's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut those potatoes in half. Now, if they're big potatoes, you want to quarter them, but these little baby reds, you're going to cut them in half. Look, that meat, it's almost there. That's after an hour. It doesn't pull apart. So we're going to add the carrots and cover it back up. We're going to cook those for 25 minutes, then add the potatoes and the rest of that beef stock. That's about 2 cups again. Make sure you get those potatoes down in that juice. Cover. And then cook for another 30 to 45 minutes or until the potatoes and carrots are fork tender. Once that happens, go ahead and remove all the vegetables and the pot roast from the pot. So all we have is the juice at the bottom. Look at how that's fallen apart. So much different than what it was earlier, isn't it? Try to find those bay leaves too and get them out of there. Add some water, but however much that you decide makes it high enough. The rest of the Worcestershire sauce and the cornstarch slurry gets thick pretty quick, so make sure you're always whisking while you're adding that. Look how thick that is. That looks so good. We're going to test the consistency with a spoon, and then we're going to go ahead and plate our pot roast. Put it right in the center of your platter. Try to put it together so it looks pretty. Then add those vegetables all the way around the sides. And lastly, we're going to put that gravy that we made all on top of that. Doesn't that look good? And there you have it, Cynful Stirrin the pot roast. Here's your recipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day, you hear?